Hello everybody! Today we're gonna talk about a really beautiful, maybe the most beautiful Amiga game ever created, I think. Marvins Marvelous Adventure. So this is the original box. You even have the original plastic with the discs and the manual. Everything is there, so that's nice. I'm not really collecting games originals, but this one I just have because I just love that game so much. So let's start the Amiga. And boots quite fast, you know. Up and running. And we go here and games, because this you can install to your hard drive from the discs. So let's start it. Let's start Marvin. And I think it's really nice that it's just one button. It's so much moves you can do. It's only one button, but I think that is great. Less is more. If you can do it like they done it here, I think it's great. And it's so nice on a CRT because they even use the CRT's special, what can you say, technical advantages that it's with the light and things. We will see if we can see some of that. It's maybe hard to get on the camera, but they really took advantage of the CRT display, because of course this is 1994 when they made this, so this was CRT time. There was no digital displays. So if you jump, you just press up, and if you want to jump higher, you can double jump like this. And on the ground, if you just press a button, you kick. Or if you get apples, you will shoot apples instead of kicking. And if you press the button down, you will duck. And if you press the joystick down, you will duck. Or you press the joystick down and move to the right by pressing the action button. You see? Then you have that move. So when you get used to this, it's really fun. And you see, you can climb. And you can... And here is here are we now. Don't eat those mushrooms. They might be poisonous. The evil one has gathered his most dangerous allies together in an underground factory. Be especially careful. We are nearly done it. We have nearly done it, because this is the last world actually. It's a really big game. It's how many levels is it? 60 or something like that. It's just amazing what they put into this game. So okay, and you can kick. Now I got hurt, but you see, you can kick, you can jump on, and when you take these stars, I think it's 100 stars, then you get an extra life. And if you get 30 moons or more, you get these moons that will help you. Like they're like these helpers that will kill the enemy. Really cool. You will see if you can manage to get 30 moons. But this is hard. I'm not playing good now, but let's try it. And there's a lot of secret levels here, stuff like that. It's just a perfect platformer. If you look at the resolution, how the pixel everything to the Amiga resolution is just, the graphic is just outstanding. All the colors, everything is, to me, the most beautiful game. Kick you. So And of course the scrolling is perfect. 50 Hertz. This is the whole way, it's no slowdowns, anything. Runs on a stock Amiga 1200. Right now I'm using my Amiga 4000, but as I said, runs perfect on any AGA Amiga. So now we cannot go that way, have to go down to get up the other direction there. And now we can use that rolling move. Oops! But look here. Here we got a lot of good stuff. So how many... Oh, it was most stars. You see? You only have 4 moves. Okay. Ah, yeah. Now you see I can shoot because I have the moons. But you have to be careful using them. And the energy there is, you see, it's not so good. You see it up here. You can see the life before you're losing a life. Ah, nice. Whoops. Oh. Ah. Now you have to go down and use that move, but of course. Oh yeah. I think the difficulty is like perfect because this is the last level, and it's not too hard, it's not too easy. And you get these passwords. You have to find them, and then you can even save to the hard drive, and then you have and then I can continue from where you found the last password. Oh, I should not go there. Okay, you have to jump there. And there's a lot of variety in the game. So many. Sometimes we're flying. It's levels where it's dark. You have to find light. It's just fantastic. All the worlds are really different and good. And there's a door. And we get to the next level in this world. I think every world has 10 levels, I think. And it's of course getting more and more difficult. The apples is nice because then you get more energy. For the one I showed you before, when you're losing energy, if you get the apples, it's going up. Here is one secret. See, down here. Some bonus level. Ooh, lot of apples. Nice. But I haven't. Okay, I had so much energy. So okay, but let's take the stars because the stars. Oh, how do you get up there? Okay, understand. Have to go there and then like this. Oh no, it fell down. And yes, if you can get more moves, that's nice. And here to get up there, okay. Oh my, we have to go like this? No. Haha, like here. That is not working. Nah, okay, maybe a little bit more. Aha! Okay. Like that, of course. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's fun. And okay. That looks a little bit dangerous going over there. Or? No, that's okay. And there's a stone. And I know what will happen when we start to get on that one because that will start to move. And it's something down there. Okay, let's just try. Okay. Yeah, I'm playing a little bit better now. Okay, so we can take the stone somewhere. Whoop. Ah, nice. Oh! Okay, that's why we can ride with him. And it's so much music here, many different tunes. And there you see like this treasure chest, but sometimes it spikes in there, so you never know. Oh, it's a lot of nice stuff. Nice. Yes, you get how many moons will you get? 13. We need 70 more if you get like this helper. That would be cool. Oh, nice! Look at that. You can hang on here. Really cool. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, let's try that. But okay. Oh, how? What? No. Oh. But okay, people, you get the idea. This is we can also look a little bit because the game is running a little bit a demo itself after a little bit while, so we can see some other level just to. But this game is just amazing. It's so much fun. It's I know it's no sound effects, but you get used to it. It's not that big deal. It's because they wanted to use the channels for this great music. I think it's okay. It's a decision. They made a decision. It's okay. So now the game is just running demo. So here you see some other level. Oh, it's so colorful. If they did more games like this on Amiga, it might survive, because this is really how it should be done. If you ask me, this is like Super Mario on Amiga, but of course much better graphics. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and play Marvin. Marvins Marvelous Adventure. Highly recommended, 10 out of 10 from me. See you!